Let's simplify this one question which is related to the quadratic equation. And in the given question, if you analyze, the three quadratic equations are given. And what the condition is saying is, it has a common negative root, then we have to find the value of 2m plus 3n is equal to question mark. Since the question is to find the 2m plus 3n values, we require to find the values of m and n individually. Then we have to substitute, then we will be getting the answer here, right? So, since the question is having the common negative root, we'll take the common negative root as a, or else you take the common negative root as x itself, nothing is there, okay. So, if I take a in the sense, we have to rewrite the entire equation in terms of a. If you keep x only, because already the equation is in terms of x, so we'll take as it is only, okay, it will be very easy. Now, what we can do is, since when I observe the equation here, and the condition is they are having the common negative root, we can equate the equations. And in the third equation, when we observe here, it is m plus n. In the sense, the first and second equation is having the coefficient of x as m and n respectively. We can add this, right? So we'll simplify this further, which means if I want to get the m plus n, we will add the equation 1 and 2 here. Okay, let's start adding here directly. No need of writing one more time. X square plus x square will gives us 2x square plus mx plus nx will gives us m plus n, x plus 9 plus 17. 9 plus 17 gives us 26, which is equal to 0. And this equation along with the third equation we will simplify. Let's see, something will get like values of x or something. Okay, let's understand here first. The third equation is given as x square plus m plus n into x plus 35 is equal to 0. Okay, simultaneously we will simplify these equations. Okay, change the signs of this entire equation. It is a minus and the plus becomes the minus and the plus becomes minus. Entirely this term we can cancel. 2x square minus x square will give us x square plus 26 minus 35. Okay, 26 minus 35 in the sense we'll get a minus sign over there. So x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, since it is a quadratic equation, if you want to shift that side, x square is equal to 9, x is equal to root over 9. Root over 9 in the sense we will not consider the only 3 value here. See, if I simplify this further, x is equal to root 9 I will be getting, right? So root 9 in the sense you will write, madam, root 9 is 3, so we will write 3 only. But remember that since we are having the quadratic equation format, x will be having the 2 roots, which means x is equal to 3 or it is a minus 3 also. Okay, and it is very, very important in case of this particular question. Why? Because they have given a condition, very much clearly has given, it is having a common negative root, which means this entire equations are having a common negative root, which is nothing but we will take a negative root only, not the positive root. What is the common negative root we are having? It is a minus 3. So we will take x is equals to minus 3. Now what we have to do? Since we don't want the values of x here, because we want the values of m and n, let us substitute the x value in case of first and second equation. Okay, if I substitute the x value as minus 3 in the first equation, see here, x value which is minus 3, let's do it directly here. Okay, substitute there only, we'll write on the equation here. X is equal to minus 3, 3 square is 9 and plus m into x, in the sense it is minus 3x plus 9 you will be getting. 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 minus 3x is equal to 0 you are getting. Okay, I hope it is clear. Just pause the video and substitute and check it. Okay, so 18 minus 3x is equal to 0, one equation I am getting. Next, if I substitute this equation, x square plus n, okay, one minute. Since we are substituting the value of x here, this is what it is, 18 minus 3m, am I right? X is equal to minus 3, minus 3 into m is minus 3m, which is entirely equal to 0. And the second equation what we are getting, x square which is minus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 17 is 26 plus, okay, again minus 3, right, 26 minus 3 and is equal to 0. okay, minus 3n is equal to 0. If I simplify this further, 18 is equal to 3m, m is equal to 3, how many times it goes? 6, so m value we got it as a 6. Next, 26, shift that side, it is a 3n. Now, listen everybody, just 26 is equal to 3n will keep as it is, no need of taking the separate value of n. Why? Because in the given question we have a 3n. So, why don't we substitute the 3n directly 26 only? It will be very easy, right? Again, if you take the n value as 26 upon 3, you will get a decimal. Again, we have to take the decimal or we have to take the LCM. It will be quite lengthy. So, we will take as it is, we will keep as it is the 3n value as 26. Okay. So, finally, we need to find the value of 2m plus 3n. m is 6, right? m is 6 in the sense 6 2s are 12. 12 plus, and hardly the 3n value is 26. 12 plus 26 gives us how much it is? 38. So, the right answer for this question is 38.